Hello guys, today we are going to introduce our next version of our weekly planner. This is a digital weekly planner for 2022 with a black theme. So let's see how it's. First, in the front page, cover page, you can tap on this. If not now, then when. So it will take you to our main index page. Let's try it. Okay, this is the index page. You can find it on our planner. In the left side you have monthly planner sections, and then you have yearly sections. Then you have section for your own items. I mean that you can take your notes and organize different things in your life and work in this each section. Also, finally, you have notes section, which is a note template that you can use in different purposes. So let's start with this monthly planner. Then if we take about March month, you can see this is our monthly plan layout. In top you have monthly layout, and then on bottom you have note section. Which this note section you can use as a flexible note area to use our widgets, because we have around more than 100 plus widgets in our widget collection. So you can use these stickers in this planner to truly personalize to your needs. On the right side you have the monthly tabs that you can link into each month. You can see that we use a very elegant black theme on this month. You can click on each monthly tab to go to each month. If you talk about universal navigation, in the top part in here you can see there are 4 icons, which is first one is yearly overview. This you can take in the yearly overview. Then you have monthly goals for each month. This is the monthly goals to write down your goals and achieve, and you track your progress. In this space you can have some kind of brief introduction about this your goal. Then if you go into detail, you can click on these arrows, then it will go to your goal in detail goal details. Next one is our yearly finance plan. In here you can mention and you write down all the financial things in here, so you can track your finance balance in your life. Then finally we have saving tracker, because savings is one is most important thing in our life. So I think it should be separated into another section, so you can track your all the savings and so track your goals, saving goals in this area. If you go to back in finance, you can click on this icon, then you need to go to finance section. We go back to the savings, you can click on savings. There's a top 3 lines in top part of this planner. This is for the index page. Then 2022 planner. This is a calendar view of the 2022. For each monthly calendar you have weekly. You can see that there's a weekly number. So if you tap into this each weekly number, you can go to each weekly layout. So like that. This is a weekly template that you can manage your week. In week template we have 2 separate layouts. This is some kind of list layout, and we have schedule layout. This is schedule layout which goes time from 5 AM to 10 PM. So you can go back and forth with the schedule icon and plan icon. Also you have the bottom part of the planner. You can have this kind of a small calendar for that particular month, which includes the weekly layout also. You can click on these weekly numbers to get each week quickly. Then let's go back to main image, and then you have the overview. This is to track your all year in one place. Then you can have also the quarter-wise section, quarter 3, quarter 4, and then you have key dates section. You can write down key dates of your work and life, so to match each monthly section. And finally, you also have 2023 overview page, so you can plan your next year ahead of the time. Let's go back to our monthly pages. In monthly pages, you have 5 buttons in the top. It's very important. In first, you have personal, because each month you have separate monthly layout for your personal life and your work life. So first is personal life for the monthly plan layout. Then you have work monthly layout. So you can separate your work life balance with these 2 separate monthly layouts. I think this is a great way to organize your work and personal life. Then you have goal section, goal page, goal plan layout, which this is you can use for the organize your each month. I mean, you can use this for the set your goals for each month and track them accordingly in different things. Finally, you have review page for each month, so you can review your month to improve on that, based on that on the next month. So I think this is a great way to self-reflect your month. Then finally you have the finance page. This is the monthly finance page, so you can have a very clear picture about how to use your month and financial update on your month, because finance is one of main part of our life. So it is great way to track your financing activities for each month on this monthly finance layout. So I think I covered almost all the parts of this planner. It is very simple and elegant looking, so you can have more with very less structure. So I think this is one kind of very interesting planner I can found in your internet. So if you have any questions regarding this planner, or if you need some kind of modifications, you can DM me via these comments in the YouTube or other Etsy like. So you can find the link for this planner from our Etsy store. Link is in the description, and also this is cost only for the $6.99. So I think this is very useful to you to analyze and import and organize your life and work-life balance in a very great way. So until next video, thank you. Let's meet again.